Hello everyone, my name is Shorav and welcome to my 7th video of HTML5 tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss about the HR tag, pre-tag and see how to view the source code of any HTML page. So let's begin. We will first discuss about the HR tag. The HR tag is used to draw horizontal lines between any HTML elements. It is just used to draw lines. So how to write a HR tag? To write a HR tag, what you need to do, you just need to add a less than sign, then HR and then a greater than sign. So that's it. So now save it and check it in our browser. So this is what a HR tag looks like. It is just, you can see it's a simple line. Alright. You can add HR tag as many times you want in a web page. Like if you type here HR tag again and save it, then check in your browser, you can see here it appears again. And you can see the HR tag adds some breaks after elements and adds some spaces. The HR tag is used to separate content or define a change in an HTML page. Okay, next we will discuss about the pre-tag. In HTML, whenever we write some text within any tags, it ignores any white space within it. Now let's see an example. Like here we just wanted to say we wanted to make a kids website where we added a poem for kids and we have put it in different lines here, but will it exactly appear like this? Let's see. Let's save it and check it in our browser. You see here that HTML totally ignores the line breaks that we added here. Okay, we can do that with the BR tag after each line, but that is quite a cumbersome job. Even if you add space here and save it, HTML will totally ignore it. Okay, so that's where pre-tag comes in handy. Alright, so how to write a pre-tag? To write a pre-tag, we start with a less than sign, then PRE, then a greater than sign. Then we add whatever text we need here. Ignore this part, and to close it, we close it like this. Alright, so that's it. Now save it, and now if you refresh the browser, you will see here it appears in separate lines like you see in a poem. Alright, so next we will discuss about how to view the source code of any web page. So far we have discussed the HR tag, the pre-tag. Now you will discuss the source code. So how to view the source code? To view any source code of any web page on any browser, you simply have to right click on the page and then click page source. Okay, now you can clearly see here all the HTML tags that we have added in our code editor. It appears here. It is really a good practice to check the source code of a web page so that you can learn some new stuff, how the web page is set up. Alright, Okay, one more thing we will say, that we will be not discussing the inspect element stuff now, right now, because I will be discussing the style attribute first, then we will discuss about the inspect element. All right. So that's it for now. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.